Is it cold enough for you? Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel. It's a very, very cold Sunday morning in January here in the UK, but we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about one of the highlights of the event calendar coming up for the Audi TT Mark 1 in 2025, and that is the TT International Show that's held in Ypres in Belgium on Saturday the 12th of April. In April 2024, we held the inaugural Audi TT International Show in Belgium, and it was a resounding success, with cars joining us from Holland, Belgium, France, Germany, and of course the UK. There were over 150 cars on display, and I'm sure it's going to be even bigger and better this year. So let's take a quick look back at the event from 2024, what went on, what was there, and what you can think about doing this year at the Audi TT International Show. In April 2024, we headed to the Cadycars Museum in Ypres, Belgium for a car meet and tour of the wonderful museum owned by Thierry de Hecke. Around 15 cars from the UK convoyed over on the Eurotunnel and spent an enjoyable weekend in this picturesque town, sampling the fine cuisine and culture, and of course the 150 Audi TTs that joined us from all over Europe. There were some truly great cars on display, and it was great to see how cars are cared for, modified, and the general condition on the continent. Let's take a look once again at some of those great cars. We met so many great people while there, and everyone who attended had a great time. So much so that we have decided to organise it once again in 2025 and revisit the town of Ypres and the Museum of Cadycars. Let's see what my fellow hosts from last year, Simon Matthews and Frank Schnolders, had to say about the event. So I'm here with the fellow organisers of this great day, Simon and Frank. So guys, how do you think the day's gone?
Been a brilliant day, really good turnout, thrilled to bits with it. We've had over 130 cars along. Weather's been absolutely fantastic. Thierry's absolutely thrilled to bits with the turnout here, and sure it'll happen again.
Yeah, and I think, Frank, we've had, what I counted was 130 cars.
130, okay, 130
great.
Awesome.
Cars. What's been your highlight of the day, do you think?
My highlight of the day, it's the weather, it's the atmosphere, it's how people are connected. So we're bringing 5 countries together. So France, Germany, Belgium, England. Welcome back in Europe. And the Netherlands, of course, and everyone, or even people traveling 400 kilometers to be here.
Thierry said to me that he was talking to one chap who had come 600 kilometers.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's where from? I don't quite know. No. As Frank said, the mix of countries here, the sheer volume of attendance has been awesome.
So let's take a deeper dive into the event details for the International TT Show in 2025. First up, the date. The actual International TT Show for 2025 starts at 10 AM on Saturday the 12th of April. The weekend for many of us starts much earlier, but I will touch on those events shortly. The meet is held once again in Ypres, Belgium at the Cadycars Museum and being hosted by Thierry de Hecke. Here is a map showing where in Ypres this is, as well as the museum address. The meet allows us to park on the industrial estate where Cadycars is situated for free. No cost to park here and no cost to attend the meet. As mentioned, the host of this event is Cadycars Museum, which opens its doors to our visitors from 11:30. Entrance to Thierry's museum is €15 and it is highly recommended. He has a selection of cars that are well worth viewing, and some I have not even seen before in the flesh. One of a kind and rare cars are plenty, and all are actively used to this day. Across from Thierry's museum is an automotive restoration shop called Mistral Cars. This is free to walk around and see some of the restoration projects underway. As an active workshop, it is amazing to see the craftsmanship at work and marvel at their skills. Definitely check this out. As well as walking around and looking at the many TTs on display, there will be a food truck on site from 12 PM serving a selection of Belgian food including frites and mayonnaise, which went down a storm last year. The food truck is one price and all you can eat, thanks to a wristband that you can buy for as little as €10 on the day. Also on the day from 11:30 will be a question and answer session with myself and other TT YouTubers attending on the day. So get your questions ready. There will also be a prize draw to enter on the day to win a chauffeur drive in one of Thierry's great cars, driven by the main man himself. See Simon on the day to be in with a chance to win this prize. As there are so many cars in attendance, there may be some smaller cruises arranged on the day to take your car around the local area in convoy with like-minded TT drivers. So to recap, the meeting is free. It starts at 10 AM at Cadycars. Get parked on the industrial estate surrounding the museum. Mistral Cars, the restoration shop, will be open from 10:30 AM to walk around, and it is free. If you want to enter Thierry's Great Museum, it is €15 and open from 11:30 AM. A YouTuber question and answer session will take place at 11:30 AM. Food truck will be on site from 12 PM and all you can eat prices from €10. A draw will take place at 1 PM for a ride in Thierry's car. Frank has created a web page with all the up-to-date information which can be found by visiting the address on screen, or if you want to be added to the event mailing list, please send an email to international-25@audi-tt.eu. Of course, there is so much more to Ypres than just Cadycars. If you walk into the town centre, you will find there is so much going on this particular weekend. There is a food and arts festival which we've all been partaking in. The town of Ypres is steeped in history and plays an important part due to its location in many of the famous European battles over the last 100 years. This city was completely flattened at the end of World War I and it's rebuilt to what you see today. So I highly recommend you spending some time walking around the historic city of Ypres. As mentioned, I am heading to Ypres a few days earlier and some cars from the UK and other nations are joining along for the convoy. Starting out on Wednesday the 9th of April, myself and a few other TTs are booked on the 11:20 AM Eurotunnel crossing, where we will meet at the Folkestone services at 9:30 AM for a 10 AM rollout for a few miles down the road to the terminal. Once in France, we may stop at the Carrefour in Calais for snacks and conveniences before making the hour's drive to Ypres on the autoroute. There will be no tolls on this road. I will be making a road trip essentials video in the next few weeks for those of you that have not undertaken long trips before, so keep an eye out on the channel for that. There are plenty of hotels to suit all budgets in Ypres, and last year we stayed at a lovely boutique hotel called the Wellness Yoke. They do a great breakfast also, but the parking in the town relies on using car parks, and that may not be immediately outside your hotel, and they are very busy due to the festival. This year we are staying at the Ariane Hotel that has its own secure car park. There are a few rooms left if you want to get booking. We are looking to eat on the main square around 7 PM on the Wednesday evening and a drink or two to unwind after the drive. On the Thursday, we are looking to head to Bruges to check out the scenery and culture, as this too is a wonderful place to visit when in Belgium. On the Friday, I am looking to visit one of the amazing battlefield tours around Ypres and get a closer look at the history of the area. On the Friday evening, we have booked a table at De Trumpet once again, as we ate here last year on the Friday evening too. The food was fantastic, so if you would like to join us for dinner, we have booked from 7 PM and please let them know you are part of the Audi TT party. Last year we had the entire inside of the restaurant to ourselves, a true Audi takeover. You can book a table at the address on screen now. The Saturday will of course be the car show, and Saturday evening we'll be looking to visit the last post ceremony once again to pay our respects at the Menin Gate, something to take in when you're in Ypres. On the Sunday we will head home, but there is normally a car show on the Sunday morning just outside Ypres on the way back to Calais. If I can find out details on this, I will pop in there on my way back. We are booked on the 3:20 PM crossing from Calais on the Eurotunnel once more. If you would like to join me on any of the itinerary above, please drop me a line at the channel at andy_charger@hotmail.com. And if you are attending and would like to be added to my Ypres WhatsApp group, please let me have your name, number and vehicle reg also. I will also be designing an Andy Charger International TT event t-shirt for the occasion, so if you would like one of these, please do get in touch with me at the channel also. So hopefully that gives you all the information you need for the TT International Show 2025 that's happening in Ypres on Saturday the 12th of April. If you've enjoyed today's video and you found it helpful, then please do think about giving it a thumbs up, and also think about subscribing to my channel where you'll find a whole host of content on the Audi TT Mark 1. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care. I'm getting out the cold.